Recording in progress.
So, okay. So what? So what we are talking about is yes. So I said how to import the content of one module inside another module, and next one is what is a package is. I said what is a package? A package is a collection of modules, but technically a package is nothing but a folder. What is a package? Is a folder which contain which file layer .py files. A package consists of a special module called init.py, and init.py is called package initialize module. What is init.py is called package initializer module or package init. So this module is executed automatically. This module is executed automatically. So whenever package is what here imported. Whenever package is imported, it will execute one module automatically, and that module is called init.py. What is that module is called? Init.py. So that is called as package initializer module. Okay. So what is that called here? Package initializer module. So that is init.py. So this module is executed automatically whenever package is what imported. Whenever package is imported, it just execute. What it execute init.py, right? So you can say the block of code, which has to be executed, on loading of which one package. So we write that code. Inside which module? init dot what is that? Py. Now suppose creating a package is nothing but creating one folder. So what I'm doing is I'm creating one folder, and I just give the name of this folder as what? Package one. So creating a package is nothing but creating a folder. Creating package is nothing but creating one folder. So inside that folder, we need to add one special module. What is that module you have to add? Init.py. So creating package is nothing but creating a package is nothing but creating one folder. And inside that folder, you have to create one folder, and inside that folder, you have to write one module. Suppose if I'm using PyCharm. Okay, suppose if I'm using PyCharm, in PyCharm you find the option for creating what package. Inside the PyCharm, you can find the option for creating package. So just to see PyCharm. So I already said how to install. No. Yes. No. Did I said how to install PyCharm? Okay. So we'll see that also, like how to install the PyCharm. We'll see that also, how to install the PyCharm and how to work with the PyCharm. But if you are working with this PyCharm, in this PyCharm you find the option for creating what package. You can find the option for creating the package. So inside the project, inside the project. So what you can do is, so you can see there is a new, and what is it name here? Python package. If I select this Python package, it will ask you to enter the package name. I enter the package name is package one. Now you can see when you create a package, automatically created what? One special module. What is that module is created in init.py. So it means PyCharm will provide the environment. PyCharm will provide the good environment for developing. PyCharm will provide a good environment for developing which one? Projects. It will provide a good environment for developing projects. Okay, right? So that is what init.py, right? But suppose if I'm using IDLE, if I'm using IDLE, IDLE editor, if I'm using IDLE editor, IDLE is there. In IDLE, okay, in IDLE or IDLE shell, now you don't find. Is it any option for creating a package? No. There's no option for creating which one here? Package. What do you have to do? You have to create the package. Package means you have to create one folder manually. Now inside this Python folder, I created one folder called which one? Package one. And inside this folder, I have to create one special module. And what is that special module I have to create? init.py. Inside this, I have to create one special file. And what is that special file I need to create? Init. Py.
Recording in progress.
Whatever code you want to execute at the time of importing the package, that code you write inside what? init.py, right? So yes. Now what you have to do here is first what you do it? Create what? Folder with a name. What name you have to create? Package one. And inside that folder, create inside that folder or package, okay, create a module. What is a module you have to create? Init.py. Create one module, and that module is what? Init.py. Okay. Create one module named init.py. First, create a folder with name called which one? Package one. Okay, then next is within that. Now we'll talk about init.py again. Okay, but inside this package, you can put number of modules. Inside this package, you can write number of modules. Inside this package, you can write number of modules. I'm writing one module called module 1. So every Python program is one module. Now there is a module 1 which is having some two functions. So there is inside function 1, and there is what again? Print. Inside what is that? Function 2. So how many functions are there here? Two functions. So that is a function 1 and function 2. And where I'm saving this, module, I'm saving this module inside what? Package 1. And the name of this module is M1. What is the name of the module? M1. Okay. Then I try to create one more module. This module is having function 3. So this is, okay, inside function 3, and there is one more function called function 4. So this is inside what? Function 4. Now this module also I'm saving in which one? Package 1. So inside the package 1, I created how many modules? 2 modules. Inside the package 1, I created how many modules? 2 modules. One is module 1 and one more is what? Module 2. Inside the package 1, I created 2 modules, module 1 and module 2. Okay. I said, no, packing is nothing but grouping. Your project is having so many programs. What do you do it? According to the operations, what it performs, you divide it into a number of folders, and each folder is called as one package. So what I did here, I created one package. What is the name of the package I created? Package 1. And inside this, I created one special file. And what is that special file? init.py. Then I created one more file called m1.py. I created one more file. What is that? m2.py. That means this package is having total how many modules? 3 modules. Okay. This package is having how many modules here? 3 modules are there. Now create like this. You have to create like this. You have to create like this, right? So how many modules are there inside this package? 3 modules are there. One is init.py, and second one is m1, and third one is what here? M2. M1 and one more is what? M2. First one is M1 and second one is what here? M2, right? Okay. Then now I want to use the content of this modules. This modules belongs to which one? Package 1. I want to use this module 1 and module 2. Yes. So first you have to create these 2 modules inside the package. Create these 2 modules inside the package. Yes. This is like this. Create these 2 modules. So this is module 1 is what here? Module 2. So create these 2 modules inside that package. After that, I want to use these 2 modules which are there in package 1 in my application. Okay, assume that this is my application, and my application want to use module 1 and module 2. And where is this module 1 and module 2? In package 1. Then what I have to do? I have to say import. What I have to say? Import package 1 dot which module? M1 module. And then I'm saying import package 1 dot, which module? M2 module. So I try to import how many modules from the package? 2 modules. So that is both the modules belongs to the same package or different package? Same package. Same package. Same package means package 1 only. M1, M2 modules belongs to what? Package 1 only. Then after that, how can I call it now? I cannot write package 1 dot M1 comma M2. No. So I'm writing how many import statements? 2 import statements. Okay. If you want to avoid this, you can use another approach now. If I want to call, I can say package 1 dot M1 dot, what is that? Function 1. I'm saying package 1 dot M1 dot, what is that? Function 2. Package 1 dot M2 dot, what is that? Function 3. Package 1 dot M2 dot, what is that? Function 4. You are calling how many functions here? 4 functions. You are calling the function 1 of M1 package. You are calling the function 2 of M1 package. You are calling function 3 of M2 package. You are calling function 4 of which one? M2 package, M2 module. But M1, M2 modules belongs to what? Same package. Okay, but my program is there in the same package or outside? Outside. Suppose this is ptest1. Once they run this, now you can see inside function 1, inside function 2, inside function 3, and inside function 4. If you want to access the content of modules belongs to the package, you have to import the package along with what? Modules. In order to use the content of, in order to use the content of package, okay, we have to import, okay, modules. We have to import modules along with, okay, modules along with what name? Package name. In order to use the content of package, we have to import modules along with what name? Package name. You have to import it along with what name? Package name. Ring on it. You have to import with what name? Package name. In order to use content of package, we have to import modules along with what name? Package name. So remember this. So that is nothing but import. What should I write? Package name dot. What is this here? Module name. Import package name dot module name. Import package name dot module name. So that can be avoided. If you want to avoid that, can I write? Can I write in other way? Okay, I want to write in another way, right? So can I say, can I avoid using package name? Can I avoid using what? Package name. If I want to avoid using package name, can I write from what is that? Package 1, from package 1. From package 1 import what is that? M1. I said from package 1 import M1. What is M1? Module. What is M1 here? Module. Okay. So from what is this here? Package 1 import what is that? M2. Then after that, I'm trying to say M1 dot. What should I write? M1 dot function 1. M1 dot function 2. M2 dot function 3. M2 dot M2 dot what is that? Function 4. This is avoiding using what name? Package name. This is avoiding using what name? Package name. So that can be avoided by using from package name, import which module? M1 module. And from M1 module, you are trying to invoke which function? Function 1. You are trying to invoke which function? Function 2. You are trying to invoke which function? Function 3. You are trying to invoke which function? Function 4. Okay, right? Now this is another way of importing the content of modules exist in the package. Okay, this is another way of importing the modules, but this will avoid using what name? Package name. You don't require to use a package name. You are accessing directly with what name? Module name. You are avoiding using package name. You are accessing directly with what name? Module name. Directly you are using what name? Module name, right? Okay. But suppose, just try to see here. We try to develop how many modules in the package? Two modules. That is a module one and one more is a module two, right? Yes. So this is how you can access it. This is how you can access the content of the module in different ways from the package. You are saying from package one, import module name. From package one, import what is that? Module two. But suppose whenever I import the package, I want this module to be imported automatically. Whenever I import the package, I want these modules to be imported what? Automatically. Then what will I do is, I'll try to write some code inside which file? init.py. So what is the use of this init.py? Init.py is a special program or special module which is used for initializing what? Package. I mean, this program or this module is executed automatically. So what is init.py? So why or what you do in init.py? Okay. So init.py, init.py is a special module, or program, is a special module or what? Program. And this program is executed. This program is executed automatically at the time of importing, what? Package. At the time of importing package, this program is executed how? Automatically. Okay. But what you write in init.py, you declare global variables. What do you do it? You declare what? Global variables which are global. Okay, which are global to complete what is that? Package, which are global to the complete what? Package. Now what package contain one module or more than one module? More than one mod. You want to declare one variable which is used by all the modules inside what? Package. Then you declare that global variables inside which one? init.py. You declare that global variables in init.py. It means when I import the package, it will create that global variable, and that variable is used by how many modules? Number of modules. That variable is used by how many modules in the package? Number of modules. So creating a global variables, For example, assume that I'm creating another package. So I'm creating another package. Now creating package is just like a creating which one? Folder. So there is a package 2. What is the name of the package? Package 2. And inside this package 2, I'm adding one special file. And within that file, I'm writing x equal to 100 and y equal to what? 200. So these variables are called which one? Global variable. And this is also called which one? Global variables. Okay. Now these variables I'm trying to declare inside which one? Init dot what is that? Py. Okay. Now inside this package there is one module. Inside this package there is one module. There is one module which is using print what is that? X. And then print what is that? Y. So print x and what is that? Y. And this is called as a module 1. Now what is the name of this module? Module 1. And module 1 is trying to access x and y. But where is x and y? Is it x and y is there in module 1? No. X and y is not there in module 1. XY is there in which one? init.py. And that x and y I'm using in what? Module 1. That x and y I'm using in what? Module 1. That x and y I'm using in module 1. Suppose I'm trying to test this by saying import. What is that import package? Import package 2 dot. What is the name of the module? Module 1. Import package 2 dot module 1. And inside this, I'm trying to call. Inside this, I'm trying to call package 2. So what you're doing? Print x and y. But this print x and y, you write inside one function. So inside this, I'm trying to call package 2 dot module 1 dot. What is the name of the function? Function 1. But function 1 is trying to access. Function 1 is trying to access what? X and y values of. Function 1 is trying to access x and y values of what? Init module. Init module. Init module. Now what will happen if I say run module? So it is given error, right? Name x is not defined. But where is module 1? So what is the name of this init dot py? Save as. Yeah. I'll just give the message inside initialization file. We'll just see this, whether that file is executing or not. Yeah, the file is executed. What happened? Global x comma y. Actually not required. When you call the function, no problem. Why it's not giving error? Some path problem is there, might be. Okay, we'll just see this. But actually, now what is the use of this init.py is generally init.py generally use it for declaring which variables? Global variables. Yes, you have to save that outside the package. Outside the package only be saved here. Yeah, it is outside the package or not within the package. No problem. But actually, what is the use of this? What is the use of init.py is it is used for declaring which variables? Global variables, which are global to what here? Complete package. And not only that, importing what here? Modules. Importing modules of the which one here? Package. For example, whenever I import the package, I want the modules to be imported what? Automatically. Actually, previously, how you are importing, you're saying package 1 dot module, package 1 dot module. But when I import the package, it should import the modules automatically. Whichever modules are available in that package, I want that modules to be imported what? Automatically, because I don't want to give those other modules to what? Outside. I don't want the end user should, I don't want the caller should import the module with what name? Module name. When I import the package, it should import the modules automatically. When I import the package, it should import the modules what? Automatically. But in the previous case, you are importing the package and along with that, you are also importing which one? Module. It means the person who want to use a module, it should know what? Module name. It should know module name, but I don't want to give that module names where? Outside. The person who want to use my package or module is just import package. When import the package, automatically should import what? Modules. And sometimes it should import even module content. As if you are accessing directly with what name? Package name, without importing what name? Module name. As if you are accessing directly with the package name without importing what? Modules. In caller program. In caller program, that is what will happen when you are working with certain packages. Like, for example, if you are saying pandas is there, actually pandas is not a module. Pandas is what here? Package. But when I import the package, automatically import what? Modules, and modules functionality also. It imports the modules as well as what? Modules functionality. So you try to access, for example, I just give the alias name as some PD. What is alias name I've given? PD. Now I'll just write PD. PD is what here? Pandas. But actually pandas is a package or module? Package. Is it package contain the functions? No. Where the functions of the package inside? Module. But are you imported package or modules? Are you imported package or modules? Packages. Imported what? Package. Okay. Now you are saying pandas dot. I'll try to use one d dot type. What is the d dot type I'm using? Series. I'm trying to use one d dot type called which one? Series. But series is what? D dot type or class. But is it package is having a class? Is it package is having a class, or is it module is having a class? Module is having a class. It means we have not imported module. We have not imported what? Class. But we just imported which one? Package. When we import the package, it is automatically imported which one? Module along with what? Content. It means you are accessing everything with what name? Package name. It means certain things are hidden or not? Yes. Certain functionality is what? Hidden. It means all the functionality is not given outside what? Pandas. Now such situations also, you'll use this init.py, and that is called package initializer file, or the same thing, package initializer file or configuration file. Initializer file or configuration file. Let us see with the example this one. Like importing modules of the package. Importing modules of the package. Import which one? Package. Importing the modules of the package. When you import the package, importing the module content when you import what? Again, package. Now that can be done inside which file? init.py. Configuration means whatever you want to do at the time of, whatever operations you want to do it at the time of importing the package, that operation you are doing inside what? init.py. Let us say with the example, like suppose assume that let us create one hierarchy, right? So create the one package first. What is this package here? Package 3. So creating package is nothing but creating one folder. Create one folder, and inside this folder, create one folder, and inside this folder, you create one special word? Module. What is that? init.py. And then you add other modules like module 1.py, and one more is module 2.py. So this both the modules having some special functionality, and these modules I want to use in my application with what name? I want to access these modules with what name? Package name. I want to access these modules with what name? Package name. It means whenever I import the package, whenever I assume that this is my application. Okay, assume that this is my application. Assume that this is my application, and inside my application, whenever I import the package, I want, whenever I import package, what is the name of the package? Package 3. Then it should also import which one? Modules. It should also import which one? Modules. Then what do you do it? Okay. So in init.py, so first you develop like this. So first I'm creating one package here. What is this package now? Package 3. So inside the package 3, inside the package 3, I write a module 1. So this is a module 1, function 1 of which one? Module 1. And this is the function 2 of which one? Module 1. So I save this in which file? In which package? Package what? 3. So package 3 is having one module. And I try to write another module. So there is a function 3. So print function 3 of module 2. Print function 3 of module 2. And there is another function is there. So that is function 4. And print function 4 of module. Print function 4 of module 2. So this is one more module called module 2. Then I have to create one special module. What is that special module? Init dot. Then here I am writing from what is that? From package 3, import what is that? M1 comma M2. Can I give M1 comma M2 or from package 3? From package 3 import which one? M2. But here when I import the package, it just import what? Modules. But when I import the package, I want to import. When I import the package, I want to import modules along with the content or not? Yes. So from package 3.m1 import what is it? Star. From package 3.m1 import what? Star. Can I write like this? Can I write like this or not? Yes. Or I can write from package 3.m1 import what is it? Star. Or you can say from package 3 import which one? M1. From package 3 import which one? M2. Name from using what name? Module name. Without using what name? Package name. You can access with what name here? Module name. See, from package 3 import M1. From package 3 import what is that? M2. It means whenever I import the package 3, it will import M1 as well as what? M2. It means I don't require to import what? M1 and M2. I don't require to import M1 and M2. It is imported automatically. This code I'm writing in which file? Init dot. This is what? Init dot py. So how many files I created here? 3. Module 1, module 2, and one more is what? Init dot py. Now this I'm using in my application. In my application, I'm just writing import what is it? Package 3. When I import package 3, it import what? Module 1 and module 2 or not? Yes. It import module 1 as well as what? Module 2. It will import module 1 as well as what? Module 2. You can you write directly import? Can I say import M1? Can I write? See, I'm writing import M1. I write import M1 and import what is that? M2. Where is this M1, M2? In the same folder or different folder? Same folder. Is it in same folder or different folder? Same folder. Getting or not? Same folder or different folder? Same folder is. So I import M1, M2 as a part of which one? Package 1. I can write like this also. I can write from M1. From M1 module import what is it? Star. From M2 module, I can write from M2 module import which one? Star. Import. From M1 module import star. From M2 module also import what is that? Star. Means you are importing M1 content and you are importing M2 content as a part of which one? Package. You are importing this M1 and M2 content as a part of which one? Package. So what will happen if I run this test module? What will happen if I run this test module? If I write import package 3 and this is my test module. P test 4, if I run this, M1 is there where? M1 is there where? Package 1 dot M1, and one more is what? Package 1 or package 3? Package 3. Module 1 M1 module 1 What is the name of the module? Module 1. What is the name of the module? Module 2. So the problem with the module names, right? Okay. So save this and save this also. Run. Now you can see same functions, sir. Function 1. What we did here? Package. Function 1. I imported package 3 or package 4? Package 3. In package 3, what we written? Module 1 and module 2. Right? Fine. This is module 1 and module 2. And this is what here? From module 1 import star, module 2 import star. Then I said import because number of packages are there, right? Import package 3. Should not execute this. I think somewhere package 3 is there. No problem. What happened here? So init.py is there. From module 1 import what is it? Star. From module 2 import star. So when I import package 3, should not call those functions actually. Who will call? We should call the functions like by saying package 3 dot. What is that? Function 1. Package 3 dot. What is that? Function 2. Package 3 dot. Function 1. Function 2. But this function 1, function 2 belongs to package or modular? Module. But when we import the package, when we import the package, when we import the package, automatically it is now you can see function 1 and what is it? Function 2. But somewhere when we import the package 3, what we did? From module 1, I said import star. From module 2, import what is it? Star. From module 1, import star. But where it is looking for module 1, some modules are there in somewhere. We just check here. We'll remove this module 1 here. We'll remove this module 2 also because some other modules are there with the same name. Yeah, you have to give the path here. So package 3 dot module 2. Some name conflicts are there. Some other functions are there. Now function 1 of module 1 and function 2 of module 2. In the same way, I just write here package 3, package 3 dot function 3. And I'm saying here package 3 dot, what is it here? Function 4. You can see function 1 of module 1, function 2 of module 1, function 3 of module 2, and function 4 of what? Module 4. But is it function 1, function 2, function 3, function 4? These are belongs to the package? No. Actually, these are belongs to which one? Modules. Function 1, function 2 belongs to which module? Module 1. And function 3 and function 4 belongs to which module? Module 2. Are you imported module in your program? Are you imported module in your program or package in your program? Package. But generally, if you want to use the content of the module of the package, you have to import package as well as what? Module. But are you imported module or only package? Only package. But when I import the package, it should automatically import which one? Module as well as module content as a part of which name? Package name. Then in init.py, what I've written? From module 1, import what is it? Star. Where you are importing this content as a part of which one? Package. This content is referred with what name here? Package name. This content, whatever you are saying from module 1 import star mesh, from module 1 import star mesh, you are importing the content of module 1, but that content is referred with what name? Package name. You are importing the content of the module 2 and that content is referred with what name? Package name. So from module 1 import star, from module 2 what? Import star. Star means what? Entire module content, entire module content. But how you are referring this content, entire content with what name? Package name. Because this will be executed automatically when you import what? Package. Then the content of this module is imported with what name? Package name. The content of this module is imported with what name? Package name. Now you are saying package 3 dot function 1, package 3 dot function 2, package 3 dot what? Function 3 and package 3 dot function. Now which one is hidden here? Which one is hidden here? Modules are hidden. Modules are hidden. You can hide certain modules as well as functionality. Now the person who's calling these functions in, it doesn't know these functions belongs to which modules, because there are so many modules will be there inside what? Package. But you don't want to reveal all the functions outside. Even that also you can do it by writing some code in what? Init.py. Here I said star. I want to restrict, right? I want to restrict. Which function I should allow? Function 1. But this module is having how many functions? 2 functions are there. One is function 1 and one more is what? Function 2. But I don't want to allow to use how many functions? 2 functions. But I should use how many functions? Only 1. Only one function, but not 2 functions, right? Then you can restrict it by writing inside which file? Init.py. Reading or not? Okay. So package configuration file is used to execute some code, to execute some code at the time of loading which one? Package. What operations you want to do it? What operations you want to do it at the time of importing the package? That operations you are writing inside what? Init.py, right? So just this example. So this is a module 1, this is a module 2, and this is which one? Init. You have to write these 3 things inside what? Package 3. You have to write these 3 things inside package 3. How many modules you have to write inside package 3? 3 modules you have to write in package 3. So these 3 programs you have to write in package 3. So what is that first one? You have to write is, what is the first one you have to write? Module 1.py. What is the second one you have to write? Module 2.py. What is the third one you have to write? Init.py. So this 3 modules you have to write. After writing this, you have to write one more module for which one? Testing. When I import the package, okay, I said function 1, function 2 and function 3. So this is testing. Okay, for testing, you write another program. For testing, you write another program, and this is the program where you import the package and the content of that particular package. You import the package as well as the content of that package. So once you run this, okay, once you run this, what is the output here? You can see function 1 of module 1, module 2, okay, function 2 of module 1. This is the output of this code. So function 1 of module 1, function 2 of module 1, function 3 of module 2, and function 4 of module 2. So why or what is the use of init.py? It is used for declaring which variables? Global variables, which are global to the complete package. And this is configuring which one? Modules. Importing modules of the package to avoid importing the same modules again and again. Right? It is nothing but hiding modules, but just revealing only functionality. Hiding the modules by just revealing only what? Functionality. Even that you can do it by writing one special file called what? init.py. So in one package, you can have how many init files? Only one. In one package, you can have how many init files? Only one. Okay. Yes. So that is called as a package initializer file. So this is how you work with the packages. Package is nothing but folder, and that folder you try to put either one module or more than one module. Next we'll see there is a command. What is the command you have? Pip command. Pip is there. What is the name of this command here? Pip. Pip is the name of the command. Pip command. Suppose in application development, right? In application development, or when you are working with the projects, okay. So Python software doesn't provide. Python software doesn't provide application specific what? Libraries. Python software doesn't provide application specific libraries. It means when Python software installed, Python software provide only standard libraries. Python software provides which libraries? Standard libraries. It will provide only standard libraries. Standard libraries are like it is having some math. Okay, it is having C math. It is having built-ins. Okay, built-ins. It will provide built-ins. It will provide a module called which one? Sys. It will provide OS module. It will provide data, and what is that? Time. It will provide, what is that module? Threading module. It will provide collections module. Like this, it will provide like calendar module. Okay, calendar. Okay, calendar module. Like this, it will provide only standard libraries. Okay, it will provide only standard libraries. Sprinter, okay, Trutil, like this. It will provide only which modules? Standard modules. Okay, standard modules, but doesn't provide which modules? Application specific modules. Application specific modules means in this, is it any module called pandas? In this, is it any library called pandas? No. In this, is it any library called NumPy? No. In this, is it any library called Django? No. These libraries are not provided by which one? Python software. Suppose I want to develop a game, then I have to install which library? Game library. I want to work with what is that? Flask. Okay, Flask is a Django. Flask is a web library. Then is it Flask is provided by the Python software? No. I want to work with a scientific application. Then I require one library called Scientific Py. Is it Scientific Py is a part of Python library? No. I want to work with the data visualization like Matplotlib. Is it Matplotlib is a part of Python software? No. Then what I have to do? I have to install all these libraries separately. Then how can I install this library separately? For that, Python will provide one utility called which one? Pip. Pip command, or what is that? Utility. Pip is a command, or what is that? Utility. So pip stands for here preferred installer. Preferred installer, what is that? Program. Preferred installer program. Pip stands for preferred. Pip stands for preferred installer program. Is a command or utility. It is a command. It is a command or utility. Utility which is used to manage which one? Python what? Libraries which are used to. It is a command or utility which is used to manage which one? Python libraries. Using pip command, we can what we can do? Install which one? Libraries. Libraries means what? We can install which one? Packages. We can uninstall. We can install the packages and we can uninstall packages. We can list what? Installed what? Packages. And what we can do is we can list installed packages. We can display information about each package. We can freeze what is that? Packages. We can update, we can download. Okay, we can download packages. Even that you download it but don't install it. Even that you can do it by using which command? Pip command. So packages are nothing but here libraries or not? Yes, but these libraries are predefined. Libraries are what here? Predefined. Now using pip command, we can install libraries or what? Packages, and uninstall the packages, list installed packages, and display information about each package, and freezing the packages and downloading the packages without installing. You can download it and later you can do what? Installation. Okay. Now this pip command install packages or libraries from www.pypi.org. It means if you want to install any library, if you want to install, these libraries are available in one repository. And what is that repository here? pypi.org. So pypi is a website where it is a website, or it is called as a repository. Okay, it is a repository where all Python libraries are what is that? Available. All Python libraries are available. Where all these Python libraries are available? It is available in one website. What is that website? pypi.org. And pypi is a website, or pypi stands for Python package. What is that? Index. Python package index. Okay. So this website contains all Python libraries. Whichever library you want it, you just download and install from which website? www.pypi.org, or you can use a command called which one? Pip. Now using this pip command, you can download and install all the packages. Using this pip command, you can download and install what? All packages provided by what? Python. For example, yes, how can I use this pip command? Now pip, it followed by which one? Command. Using pip, you can execute multiple commands. Pip itself is a command, and this pip will provide so many commands. Pip itself is a command. Pip itself is a command, and it also provides some more commands. Okay, what are these commands here? The commands are which one? Install. There is a command called which one? Uninstall. There is a command called which one? List. There is a command called which one? Show. there is a command called which one? Freeze. There is a command called which one? Download. All these are the commands. Belongs to which one? Pip. Now this is for installing library. Installing library, or what is that? Package. And this is uninstalling existing library, or what is that? Package. And listing libraries. Listing libraries are packages installed in system, and show display information about installed. Display information about installed which one? Library or package. Freezing library. Now once you freeze it, you cannot use it, right? Freezing which one? Library or what? Package. This is downloading without installing. Downloading a package can be done by using which one? Download. Okay. So pip is providing how many commands? Installed, uninstalled, list, show, freeze, and one more is what? Download. All these are the commands. Belongs to which command? Pip command. So what is a pip here? Now this is pip command, or what? Utility. Generally use the pip command to install the existing packages or predefined libraries, or the libraries provided by Python. So Python software doesn't provide application specific what? Libraries. Python software will not provide which libraries? Application specific libraries. Python software provide only which libraries? Standard libraries or language related libraries like math, CMath, built-ins, sys module, OS module, date time module, threading module, collections module, calendar module, Kinder module, Trudel module. Okay, like packages, like you have a what do you call it as pickle, like so many modules are there, but those are not application specific libraries. Those are not application specific libraries. If I want to work with the data science, I require some libraries like pandas and what? NumPy. If I want to work with the web application, I require what? Django. If I want to work with a scientific application, I require a library called ScientificPy. If I want to develop a game, I require one library called Pygame. If I want to work with the web scraping, I required one library called I think there is a library called response. There is one library called what? Response. But is it all these are provided by Python? No. All these are not provided by what? Python software. Then you have to install separately this. But how you install all this? By using one command called what? Pip. How you install all this? By using one command called which one? Pip. So from where you can execute this pip command? You can execute this pip command from command prompt, right? This command can be executed from where? Command prompt. Okay, this command can be executed from where? Command prompt. Okay, so first open which one? Command prompt. Just open the command prompt here. So command prompt, and from this command prompt you can able to execute what? Or you can able to execute which command? Pip command. From this command prompt you can able to execute which command? Pip command. From this command prompt you can able to execute which command? Pip command. So what you want to do? Suppose I want to know the list of packages installed in my system. Then what will I do? I'll say pip followed by which one? List. This list will list all the packages which are installed in my system. You can see how many things are installed here. Okay, now so there is a lot of things are there, like click, cx_oracle, cycler, django, math filters. Okay, Django, REST framework, font tools. Okay, like this. Is it number of libraries are available or not? Yes. If you want to know how many packages here, all these are which one? Packages, and these are versions of this particular packages. These are packages. Suppose when I work with the suppose when I'm working with the NumPy, then I install which one? NumPy. When I'm working with the pandas, I install which one? Pandas. When I'm working with the Django, I required which one? Django. If I'm working with the REST framework, I required which one? Django REST framework. If I want to communicate with Oracle database, I required one library called what? CX underscore Oracle. If I want to communicate with MySQL database, I use MySQL connector what? Python. If I want to work with the data visualization, I'm using which one? Matplotlib. Matplotlib. I'm using one library called which one? Matplotlib. It means whenever I require any library, I just install that library using which command? Pip command. Now pip list will show you the list of pip list will show you the list of packages installed in your system. List will show you the list of packages installed in your system. That is done by using which command? Pip, and it followed by what? List. So this commands you have to execute from where? Command prompt. This command you have to execute from where? Command prompt. You have to execute these commands from where? Command prompt you have to execute. Okay, now. Now suppose I want to install one package. I want to install one package. Then how can I install? I'll say pip install. I want to install Pygame because I want to develop Pygame because I want to develop games. Okay, then I install which library? Pygame library. Now, is it installed or not? Yes. Suppose I'm saying pip install. I want to install which one? Flask. Okay, now. So pip install Flask. Now, is it installed the library called which one? Flask. Getting on it. Okay. So if you want to install any library, you just install it by using pip, and it followed by what is the command you are using? Install. What command you are using? Install. Install is a command provided by pip for installing what? Package. For installing package, it is provided one command called install. Pip install Pygame. And I said pip install, what is that? Flask. If I want to know the information about Flask, then I'll say pip show. And what is the name of this here? Flask. It will provide you complete information about this package called which one? Flask. Flask. What is the name of this here? Flask. Version is 2.2.2, and summary: a simple framework for building complex web applications. And home page means this is a home page of which one? Flask. And who is the author of this? Armin Roncher. This is a person who developed which framework? Flask framework. And this is a location where this library has been what? Installed. Where this library is what? Installed. Now, if you want to know the information about a package, you can find information about the package by using which command? Show command. You can find the information about that using which command here? Show command. That will show you the complete information. For example, if I'm saying pip show, I want to know the information about NumPy. NumPy, what is the name of the library? NumPy. And this is a version 1.23. Summary is NumPy is a fundamental package for array computing with what? Python. NumPy is a fundamental package for array computing with Python. And what is the homepage? www.numpy.org. Who is the author? Travis Oliphant. Now he is a person who developed which library? NumPy. Reading or not? Okay, so you can find. Now this is NumPy is used by two more libraries called Matplotlib as well as what? Pandas. Required by. Now, who required this NumPy? These libraries even required which one? NumPy. Means when you install this Matplotlib and Pandas, it will try to install which one? Dependent. So what is the dependent for Matplotlib and Pandas? NumPy. Getting or not? Suppose I want to develop a GUI application, then I can install. There is one library called WX Python. WX Python, which is used for developing which applications? Windows-based applications. Like Kinter is there. With the Python software, you get the Kinter. With the Python software, you'll get Kinter library for developing which application? GUI application. But there are multiple libraries out there for developing which application? GUI application. And within that, there is one library called which one? WX Python. See here, WX Python. WX Python is a wrapper for the cross-platform GUI API. WX widget for the Python programming language. It is one of the alternative to which one? Kinter. So using this, can you develop different GUI applications or not? Yes. Now even there is another library called which one? PyQt. PyQt5. This is also used for, now PyQt is a Python binding of the cross-platform GUI toolkit. Now using this, what you can do? Again, you can develop which applications? GUI, apply Windows-based. Means, for example, I want to develop a calculator. Is it this calculator is a Windows-based or GUI-based? Windows-based. There is a buttons and there is a window, minimize, maximize. There is a dashboard like view, edit, and what? Help. Now, this kind of application, if I want to develop, I required which libraries? For developing this application, what I required? GUI libraries like Kinter, WX Python. What is this here? PyQt5. Suppose, see, Python is provide multiple libraries for developing one type of application. Suppose if you see web application frameworks provided by, if you say web application frameworks of which one? Python. Multiple frameworks are there. See here, how many are there? Django, Flask, CherryPy, Web2Py, TurboGears, Fast API, Pylons project, Growth. Okay, so like this, there are number of frameworks are there or not? Yes, there are number of frameworks are there. Web framework for Python. So there are number of frameworks are there. You can see Django. See how many are there? How many are there? Now this is a full stack frameworks. Full stack frameworks here. These are full stack frameworks. Is it number of frameworks are there or not? Yes. Okay, but which one is more popular when it comes to the web development? There is one which is very popular. What is that? Django. Yes. See, one application you find multiple. Suppose games using Python. So there are multiple libraries out there. There are multiple libraries out there by using which you can develop what? Games. Or games libraries or game library in Python. These are some game libraries. Top 9 Python frameworks for developing which one? Games. There are so many libraries are there. What is this first one? Pygame. And there is a PyCharm. Okay, there is a PyGillette. Okay, so PyOpenGL. All these are Kiwi and Panda 3D, and Cocos. What is that? 2D. Now all these are libraries which are used for developing which one? Games. I mean, if you want to use these libraries, first you have to install it. And how you are installing all these libraries? By using which command? Pip command. How you are installing all these libraries using which command? Pip command. Okay, so pip will show you the information about that package. And if you want to install, use which command? Install command. And if you want to see the list of package is installed, then use which command? List command. This list command will show the list of packages available. If you want to uninstall any package or any library, then use pip. I'm saying pip uninstall. Pip uninstall. Which you want to uninstall this game. Suppose I want to uninstall which one? Pygame. I want to uninstall which one? Pygame. I just write here pip uninstall. What is the name of the package which I want to uninstall? Pygame. Just press enter here. You can see after this it will ask whether you want to proceed. I'll say yes. And successfully uninstall which one? Pygame. I'll try to say pip uninstall. Pip uninstall. What I want to uninstall is Flash. If I say yes, this is successfully uninstalled or not? Yes. If you want to remove it, you just use the command called which one? Uninstall. Install, and one more is what? Uninstall. After installing, how you use it? In your program, after installing, in your program, how you use it? By using which command? Import command. Okay. How you use it? By using which command? Import. Suppose I said pip install. Pip install which one? Flash. So I try to install which package here? Flash. How can I use this? Go to IDLE, and here you'll say import. What is this? Flash. Is it Flash? Is imported or not? Yes. If I'm saying import, what I want to import? I want to import which one? Django. Is it Django is imported? Yes. If I'm saying import, Pygame. Pygame is there or not there? Not there. So immediately it is given which error? Module name error. Then what will I do? I'll say pip install. Pip install which one? Pygame. Pip install Pygame. Now this time if I'm saying import, this time if I'm saying import Pygame, will it give error? No. Because this is already installed or not? Yes. So when I say import, is it given this message or not? Yes. It means, is it available or not available? Available. Getting or not? So how can I, after installing, if you want to use it, then you have to use which command? Import. After installing, if you want to use it, then you have to use which one? Import. Import, you have to use it. So using that import, you can able to import the installed packages. Okay, right? Then next one is how many commands we have seen here? Install, uninstall, list, install, uninstall, list, show, freeze is there. Freeze, and one more is a download. So I'll say pip download. I'm saying pip download. Which one? Fast API. I want to download which one? Fast API. So what it is doing is just download it. It downloaded and saved in one folder here. It is saved in one folder, but is it installed? Is it installed or only downloaded? Downloaded. Suppose net is not there. Net is not there, right? You just download it. Then next you install it. It is downloaded in which folder? And C drive. Users, and what is that? NIT. So what is the name of that? Fast API, right? You can see what is the name of this here? Fast API. Now what you can do, if you want to install it, you just say pip install. Pip install which one? Fast API. So, but first it is looking for this here, from where it is collected. It is taken from which folder? Current folder, right? And then it is installed here. It is taken this from which folder? Current folder. Even net is not there, it will install, because we already, net is not there, it will install because already we downloaded. But actually if you want to install, net should be there, because From where it is downloading and installing? pypi.org. If net is not there, you cannot download and what? Install. But if when net is there, you download it. Later you can install it without having a net, right? So that is download. Download will do only downloading, but not installing. Download will do only downloading, but not installing. You download and keep in local repository, and later you try to install it. Even though if, yes. So for that, you are using pip pip download. Download is there. And next one is freezing. It is there. It is there, but I don't want to use. Okay. Then what you can do? Freeze it. It is there, but I don't want to use it. Then you can freeze it by saying pip. What is that? Freeze. Freeze. Which API here? Fast API. Library. Now this has been what here? Freeze. Okay. But freeze is there. This is for freezing, but remaining are what? Fast API. What is the name of this? Fast API only, right? You can see all the install, download, uninstall, freeze, output installed packages, requirement format. Inspect is there, list is there, show is there, and what is that? Check, configure, search, cache, index, here. These are the commands actually. These are what here? Commands. How many commands are there? These commands. But most of the commands are like install, uninstall. And one more is what? Download. But what freeze is doing? Output installed packages. Output installed packages and requirement format. Now that is done by using which one here? Freeze. Freeze means not freezing, right? Displaying required information. I should not give the package name. Let's say pip freeze. Only packages list it will give along with the versions. Package list along with the versions. It will display the package list along with the versions. Okay. Now, but most of the times you'll be using how many commands here is two commands definitely use. One is install and one more is what? Uninstall. So as a Python developer, you must know how to install and uninstall what? Existing libraries. How to install, how to uninstall, how to manage existing libraries. And this is one of the important command. And what is this command? Is a pip. Okay, it means in real time, if you don't know pip, you cannot develop. You cannot develop what? Applications. If you don't know pip, you cannot develop applications. Okay, right? Yes. Next, we have to go for another chapter. And what is the next chapter here is? Yes, we need to see what very important chapter, and what is that? object oriented programming, OOP. Okay, maybe tomorrow we'll start this object oriented programming, right? Okay, so today we'll stop it here and tomorrow we'll continue this. And I'm just preparing some questions which are asked in different companies related with Python. Maybe Sunday I may complete that questionnaire, different company wise questions. Maybe Monday I'll upload it in the Telegram. Okay, you just go through it. What type of questions asked in Python? Okay, face to face, not technical. Face to face round. What type of questions? Theory questions, right? Okay, so that I'll put in Telegram. Monday you can refer, but tomorrow we'll start object oriented programming. If possible, I'll try to put the programs related with the core Python. Okay, all this like programs which may asked in technical, right? Again, so programs related with the list, program related with what sets, and general programs where you can practice it. Okay, na? So that also I'll try to put it. Okay, yes. अपलोड करने के बाद सोचेंगे यार, पहले तो होने दो. Right, so we'll see tomorrow with the object oriented program, right? So thank you, we'll see tomorrow. That init is class, Ashish. वो क्लास है, वो क्लास है, ये क्लास थोड़ा ही है, आशीष. That is a class inside the class. This is related with package. Okay, now tell me here. Framework is a collection of packages. ఒక ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ కూడా చెప్తుందండి, మీరు ఎలా చేయాలి అనేది కూడా చెప్తారు. ఇప్పుడు ప్యాకేజ్ అంటే మనమే ఎలా చేయాలని మనం రాయాలి, అదే ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ అనుకో. ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ అనుకో ఎలా చేయాలనేది కూడా చెప్తుంది, అంటే ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ కూడా చెప్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు నేను వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్ డెవలప్ చేయాలి, ఫంక్షన్స్ మాత్రమే ఇస్తే సరిపోదు కదా, ఎలా చేయాలనేది కూడా చెప్పాలి కదా. అది ఎవరు చెప్తారు? ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ చెప్తారు. ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్, ఫ్రేమింగ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లికేషన్, ఇది కూడా చెప్తుంది. ఇలాగే డెవలప్ చేయాలి అని చెప్తుంది. ఓకేనా? నువ్వు ఏదైనా సపోజ్ ఒక టీ చేయాలని, చాయ్ చేయాలి, అప్పుడు ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ అంటే ఇస్తాను నీకు, ఎలా చేయాలనేది నీ ఇష్టం. అదే ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ అనుకో, ఇలాగైనా చేయాలని చెప్తాను. ఇంతే యూజ్ చేయాలి, ఇంతే యూజ్ చేయాలి, ఇలా యూజ్ చేయాలి, ఇలానే ఫాలో అవ్వాలని చెప్తాను. అది ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్. దాంట్లో లైబ్రరీస్ ఉంటాయి, ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ కూడా చెప్తుంది ఇలా చేయాలి. చేస్తాను. రెజ్యూమ్ ఫార్మాటింగ్ టెలిగ్రామ్ లో ఉన్నాయి ఆల్రెడీ, కొన్ని అప్లోడ్ చేశాను నేను టెలిగ్రామ్ లో. నిన్న కాదు, అంటే ఓల్డ్ లాంగ్ బ్యాక్ చేశాను. ఫైల్స్ లో వెళ్ళండి, ఫైల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, డాక్స్ ఉన్నాయి, డాక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సార్ ఓపెన్ చేసి చూడండి. రెజ్యూమ్ 1, 2, 3 అని ఉంటుంది చూడండి, చూస్తారు ఒకసారి. ఒకవేళ అది బాగాలేదంటే మళ్ళీ ఇస్తాను.